A lot of you are asking how I get my really voluminous high ponytail that stays, and I'm going to show you guys this new trick that I have. I have really thick hair, and so I wasn't sure if this was going to work for me, but I found out how to do it for thick hair. So the first step is you need to gather your hair. And then I'm going to take my fingers like this and go like this, and I find it easier if I tip my head upside down. And you just want to flatten it out all the way, and then you bend it underneath. So now it's all secure. And then I have a really voluminous, poofy, top of the head ponytail that won't slide out of my hair. I'm like super obsessed with it because it doesn't give me headaches. My hair is so heavy. When I wear my hair up, it gives me kind of headaches because of the pulling, and I think this keeps it tighter so that doesn't happen. I don't have to mess with it. It doesn't slide. Like, I can chase my kid.